Welcome back to Advocacy Alchemy with Professor Ross. This is going to be a night school session, and what these are going to be are just some quick sessions where we go over some various laws from some short incidents. So instead of a long lecture, we'll just do a quick gathering and go back over the law in a brief nature. All right, tonight, to start off our first night school session, we have a incident that many people have probably already seen, but let's dive into what's happening here, what laws are at play, and you all tell me what you think. Okay, so we have the video queued up. Let's play it and let's see, what do you all think about this? And we can go over it more than once.
The bitches are tripping. Uh-oh.
Erase that.
Lady, are you crazy? Whoa,
Erase
lady.
that or I'll punch the fuck out of you.
Hey, lady, you're crazy.
Erase
Lady. Fucking move, bitch. Fucking no, you can't hit me.
911.
Yeah, call them. You hit me. I got you on camera hitting me.
Okay, so as you saw, a very brief incident, but a lot happening there. Now, I'm not sure where this happened at. I've seen it some months ago, I guess when it was still fresh and it had just happened out in the world. But let's say, for instance, if this was Texas, and what's that? This is Texas. Simple battery. Okay, they call it simple assault. In Texas, simple assault involves intentional, knowing, or recklessly causing bodily injury to another person, or making physical contact that the other person may regard as offensive or provocative. This offense is typically classified as a Class A misdemeanor, carrying a penalty of up to 1 year in jail, a fine of up to $4,000. We don't actually know if this was in Texas, but it seems to be like somewhere sunny, maybe Texas, Florida, maybe even Georgia. But this seems about right. Let's see if maybe pushing. In Texas, as previously discussed, assault encompasses both the threat of bodily injury and actual physical contact that is offensive or provocative. Let's watch that again. And you all tell me, is that offensive or provocative? Now, obviously, there was something going on before we are watching this. These two people have already been into it, maybe having words back and forth. And it seems he has a recording that she wants him to delete. And then she reaches for his phone.
The bitches are tripping. Uh-oh.
Erase that.
Lady, are you crazy? Whoa,
Erase
lady.
that or I'll punch the fuck out of you.
Hey, lady, you're crazy.
Erase
Lady, fucking move, bitch. Fucking no.
Okay, so we see that the woman approached the man who's video recording and reached for his phone. He had to turn to the side to thwart her opportunity to grab his phone. She then said, "Erase the footage or I'll punch you." And she then, I think, actually punches him. And then he shoves her to the ground. All right. Assault encompasses both the threat of bodily injury and actual physical contact. The threat, balling up your fist at someone, is it considered a threat? You know, all of these are going to be based on like a reasonable person standard. If you actually were to take anything to a jury, you have to think, how would a reasonable person feel about some of these things? You know, in Texas, as previously discussed, assault involves the intentional causing of another person to apprehend immediate bodily harm. Balling up your fist and raising it at someone can be considered a threatening gesture, potentially causing the other person to fear an imminent attack. Therefore, such an action could be construed as assault. Interesting. All right, so you see that she hit him, he shoved her. Both people are in the wrong. Now, I think as a result of this, I think he ended up getting a ticket, but I could be wrong. You all can go find that video. I'll put a link to the description, or I'll put a link to that video in the description below. Let's move on to another one. All right, let's jump back in and let's take a look at a different video. This one is a road rage incident. Let's watch the video and then we'll pull up some of the interesting laws that may be at play.
I have a 5-month-old child at the house, and I do not want to get shot either.
This crazy woman pulled a gun on a man.
I am stuck. This chick just shot at this guy over here.
The man approached her car window to confront her about brake checking, and she responded by firing a gunshot at him.
I can't help you.
You can't do this, bro. You cannot do this.
Please get in your car. Can you please get in your car?
Bro, like, what's going on? Really?
I have a 5-month-old child at the house, and I do not want to get shot either. Nobody wants to get shot here. Please get in the car. Go. Mom and Dad, I'm sorry. I got in the middle of this. Shannon, I'm sorry. Jackson, I'm sorry.
Eventually, the cops arrived who took statements of everyone. The charges at the woman are unknown at the moment.
Okay, so that's a fairly intense situation. Looks like an everyday. Let's go with this one. Looks like an everyday type of incident. You have cars at a stoplight, and it says this man got out of this white car to confront the woman there in the car in front of him about brake checking. Brake checking is simply when someone keeps hitting their brakes to keep you off of their bumper. All right. When he approached the car, she pulled the gun on him, and apparently, according to this man who was behind him, She shot the weapon too. Can't really see this, but I think that might be a Florida driver's license. It could be wrong, but doesn't matter. For this search, we're going to jump over and check Florida. All right, fairly general statement I'm looking for. I just want the law for pulling a weapon on a person, if there is one. All right, Florida Statute 790.10, improper exhibition of a dangerous weapon or firearm. In Florida, displaying a weapon in a threatening manner can lead to serious legal consequences. Under Florida Statute 790.10, it's unlawful to exhibit a firearm or other dangerous weapon in a rude, careless, angry, or threatening manner, not in necessary self-defense. That's key here. Is it necessary for her to pull the weapon on this man? I don't know. He's obviously scared. And we'll watch the video again in just a second. This offense is often referred to as improper exhibition or brandishing. It's considered a first-degree misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year in jail, fines of up to $1,000. The act of brandishing a weapon includes threatening another person with violence. It may be classified as aggravated assault under Florida Statute 784.021. Aggravated assault is a third-degree felony, carrying penalties of up to 5 years in prison, a fine of up to $5,000. All right, they got something about the stand your ground. Not having the duty to retreat, provided they have a reasonable belief such force is necessary to prevent imminent death or great bodily harm. All right, someone has to be threatening to kill a person or to hurt them badly. However, this law does not permit the use of force in response to a nonviolent threat, such as the display of a weapon without an immediate threat of harm. That's interesting. That might cause some issues. Therefore, pulling a weapon on another person in Florida can result in criminal charges ranging from a misdemeanor to a felony, depending on the circumstances. Let's watch this again. We'll split the screen out and we'll keep that up so you can see.
I have a 5-month-old child at the house, and I do not want to get shot either.
This crazy woman pulled a gun on a man.
I am stuck. This chick just shot at this guy over here.
The man approached her car window to confront her about brake checking, and she responded by firing a gunshot at him.
I can't help you.
You can't do this, bro. You cannot do this.
Please get in your car. Can you please get in your car?
Bro, like, what's going on? Really?
I have a 5-month-old child at the house, and I do not want to get shot either. Nobody wants to get shot here. Please get in the car. Go. Mom and Dad, I'm sorry. I got in the middle of this. Shannon, I'm sorry. Jackson, I'm sorry.
Eventually, the cops arrived who took statements of everyone. The charges at the woman are unknown at the moment.
I'm trying to figure out where she put the gun at.
I have a 5-month-old.
All right. So if this is hypothetically the state of Florida, she could be charged with potentially a a first-degree misdemeanor, which carries up to 1 year in jail, fine of up to $5,000, No, a fine of up to $1,000. So that can really mess up your life. And think about it, if you have this kind of charge, what if your job finds out? And we're not even talking about if you have to go to jail or not, but what if they find out that you had road rage? Let's see if they have any particular laws for road rage. And why I say that is because some states deal with the issue so much that they create a very specific law for that thing. Places where you may have a bunch of traffic, they might have a road rage law. All right, so in Florida, there's no specific rule concerning road rage. It says several laws address those behaviors. You got aggressive, careless driving, reckless driving. All right. All right, so anyways, that is another night school session. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, we're back. Let's watch the next video. This is going to deal with permission. When you have permission to do something with another person's property. All right, usually when you've been given permission, then that gives you the right to, use the thing or be where you're supposed to be or be where you're at. This is dealing with a car. Let's watch this short one and then we'll discuss it.
See how he did. Let's see what kind of work he did over here. Ain't nothing else I should know. I'm confused though. What was you gonna tell me that you took my car out and you got a ticket in it?
I told you I had to drive it to set the monitor.
Bro, you ain't tell me none of that shit, bro. Don't play with me, bro. It was 2:30 in the morning and you got a ticket in my car. I gave you plenty of opportunities to tell me you had my car and you got a ticket in my car. When was you gonna tell me that? Apologies. Bro, you brought my car back with a motherfucking problem that it didn't have when I left it. Don't play with me, bro. You took my motherfucking car out, you got pulled over in my shit, and you didn't tell me. My shit come back with a new motherfucking light on, and you gonna try to charge me for that shit? Bro, don't play with me, bro. Don't play with me, bro. What I'm gonna tell you, my $7,000 that I gave you, I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna need my $7,000 that I gave you for my car, bro. I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna need my 7 bands, bro. I'm hella confused, bro. I need my bread, bro. I need my 7,000, bro. Go get my money, bro. I don't know what this shop is worth to you, bro. But I got good lawyers.
Okay, so you hear that? I already got some law pulled up on this, and we'll say this happened in New York, the state of New York, the Big Apple, New York City. All right, traffic law, section 388, negligence in use or operation of vehicle attributable to owner. All right, in New York, if you're driving someone else's car with their permission and receive a traffic ticket, you are generally responsible for the violation, not the vehicle's owner. This means that you have to pay the fine, and any points from the violation will be added to your driving record, not the owner. However, certain violations can affect both you and the vehicle's owner. All right, the owner can be held liable for negligence in the use or operation of their vehicle by another person with their permission. I had a second search I did. Can the speeding ticket of a great speed, I said hit the owner also, and it picked up on what I was talking about. All right, it says if you're operating another person's vehicle with their permission and receive a speeding ticket, you're typically responsible for the violation. However, certain circumstances can extend liability to the owner's vehicle, especially when high speeds are involved. Remembering that, he said, you got a speeding ticket in my car. I'm sure if you're going over a certain amount in certain locations, it follows the car. The violation follows the car. And it looks like this is some kind of expensive, sporty vehicle. So I would think it's following this vehicle back here. Let's watch it again. It's a short video.
See how he did. Let's see what kind of work he did over here. Ain't nothing else I should know. I'm confused though. What you gonna tell me that you took my car out and you got a ticket in it?
I told you I had to drive it to set the monitor.
Bro, you ain't tell me none of that shit, bro. Don't play with me, bro. It was 2:30 in the morning. You got a ticket in my car.
So the mechanic took the car out at 2:30 in the morning and received a speeding ticket. Who knows how fast he was going? And now he brought the car back and it has a new repair light showing. And this man says he's paid him $7,000. Now, this all could be a skit, but it's a perfect learning point to understand what happens or is it even possible for a speeding ticket to affect the owner of the vehicle if another person is driving? All right, look at this other section here. 1180E, the owner of the vehicle can be held liable if the operator fails to comply with posted maximum speed limits in specific areas, such as highway construction zones or maintenance work zones. This liability applies even if the owner was not driving at the time of the violation. All right, cameras. Now, from personal experience, I can speak about the cameras in certain cities that if you have a certain traffic violation, the cameras will just send a ticket to your home. Ooh. As of August 1st of 2022, these speed cameras operate 24/7 in 750 school speed zones across the city. And who knows, he could have received a notice already for the ticket if he got the speeding ticket by running a red light or something and the camera gave it to him. All right. So that was another night session. Let's do one more. All right, welcome back to another night session. This one is involving speeding again, but this has a sort of funny twist on it. All right. We'll look into speeding and also the laws concerning racing or street racing or nighttime street racing, depending on where you're at. This may be codified as a law. Let's jump in and see.
Yeah. Yo, that fucking cop just went right past us, bro. You need to go. The cop is coming. Go. Okay. Are you coming with me? Go.
Bro, are you good? I got away. I'm in behind some fucking bank.
This guy's on my fucking ass, bro.
Oh my god. I'm behind some fucking bank. I'm fine.
Get away,
Come
bro.
on.
Oh my god.
Go, bro. Try to get the fuck away. We're going too fast.
Bro, he's on my fucking ass. Fuck, bro. Hold on, I'm about to turn it. Here.
Okay.
Fuck, bro. He caught us, bro.
What are you doing? What do you mean he caught us? No, he didn't. I was fine.
Bro, he caught us, bro. Fuck.
Us?
Car right now.
Yes, sir.
Slowly.
Yes.
Hands up.
Okay, that's hilarious, right? I see he has, what is this, an M? This is that's an M3 he has. So nice, sporty BMW. Looks like his friend was in one also, a white one. Racing. Let's pick a city at random. Let's say Nashville. It's like this could have happened in Nashville. All right, let's look at the Tennessee laws for excessive speeding. In Nashville, Tennessee, speed limits are set to ensure safety on all roads. On residential streets, the speed is all right. Residential roads, they're saying speeds are limited to about 25. Exceeding these limits can result in fines and penalties. Speeding in a construction zone can lead to fines starting at $250. All right. What is considered okay? It can be up to a Class B misdemeanor, punishable by up to 6 months in jail. All right. Let's see. TN law for street racing. In Tennessee, illegal street racing, including drag racing, is considered a serious criminal offense. Effective July 1st of 2024, the penalty for drag racing has been elevated from a Class A misdemeanor to a Class E felony. This change means that individuals convicted of drag racing can face imprisonment for up to 6 years and fines up to $3,000. Additionally, any vehicle used in the commission of a drag race is subject to seizure, which means it can be taken, y'all. That's what seizure means. All right, and forfeiture upon conviction. So they can take it and hold it, and if you're convicted, that vehicle can be forfeit. It means that the state can have it and they can sell that vehicle for the money. So, say for instance you're out drag racing with a car you put $50,000 or $60,000 into. You can lose that car over a drag race where you were only racing for what, $500 or something minimum, and you could face up to 6 years in prison. That's in Tennessee. I remember at one point in time there was a show about Memphis, Tennessee drag racing and stuff, or street racing or something like that. But as of 2024, July 1st this year, they have upgraded the crime from a Class A misdemeanor. And remember, misdemeanors usually mean 1 day short, or the maximum time for a misdemeanor is usually 1 day short of a year in jail. Okay. And you see, let's talk for a second about what happened here in that video. Let's make sure we got let's make it big. Let's make this big. Let's play it one more time.
Yeah.
Yo, that fucking cop just went right past us, bro. You need to go. The cop is coming. Go.
Okay. Are you coming with me?
Go.
Bro, are you good? I got away. I'm in behind some fucking
Bro, this
bank.
guy's on my fucking ass, bro.
Oh my god. I'm behind some fucking bank. I'm fine.
Get away,
Come
bro.
on.
Oh my god.
Go, bro. Try to get the fuck away. We're going too fast.
Bro, he's on my fucking ass. Fuck, bro. Hold on, I'm about to turn it here.
Okay.
Fuck, bro. He caught us, bro.
What are you doing? What do you mean he caught us? No, he didn't. I was fine.
Bro, he caught us, bro. Fuck.
Us?
Car right now.
Yes, sir.
Slowly.
Yes.
Hands up.
Now, once again, I don't know if that's a skit or not, but it's pretty funny though. Your friend that you're drag racing with comes to meet you at the hiding spot and brings the police. All right, let's take a look at if we were to change where we believe this is at, and maybe we say in New Jersey or somewhere like that. All right, let's see. New Jersey Administrative Code, Title 13, Chapter 62, Motor Vehicle Race. No, that's the racetrack rules. Let's do illegal street racing. All right, it says in New Jersey, illegal street racing is a serious offense with significant legal consequences. Engaging in or promoting unauthorized speed competitions on public roads is prohibited under state law. Participants, including drivers and organizers, can face severe penalties such as fines, imprisonment, and the suspension or revocation of your driving privileges. Okay, illegal street racing is specifically prohibited under two main statutes. All right, you have the New Jersey statutes, 39, maybe that might be Chapter 39, Section 4-52. The statute states that no person shall operate a motor vehicle upon a public highway for a wager or in a race or for the purpose of making a speed record. All right, Chapter 39, Section 5C-1. This statute provides that any person who operates, attempts to operate, or agrees to operate a motor vehicle on a public highway in a race with another vehicle or for the purpose of making a speed record, or who arranges, manages, encourages, or assists in holding such a race is guilty of a disorderly person's offense. Let's see what the punishments are for those two statutes they just pointed out. All right, for the first offense, not less than 25 nor more than 100. Okay? Illegal street racing under this one is up to a $100 fine. Subsequent offenses of not less than 100 nor more than 200, you could be imprisoned for up to 90 days in jail. So you see that after on your second offense or more, hey, you could be subject to having your driver's license suspended. All right. And the court has the discretion on how long your license will be suspended. All right. Even though they seem like, small crimes, if you are dealing with something like this, this is something that you can seek the help of an attorney to see if it's possible that even if you were caught red-handed, there may be a workout that can happen, okay, where you can plead to a lesser charge, to not lose your license as long, or to not pay as significant a fine or have such a stringent punishment. Doesn't hurt to seek out the help of an attorney. All right, once again, this is Advocacy Alchemy with Professor Ross. These were the night sessions, so we'll start doing maybe some more of these since they can be quick, and we still can talk about the law. In the end, what we're trying to do is build up your knowledge so that you can go out to be a better attorney, a better person that works in the courts, a better student of criminal justice and justice overall. All right, so with that, you all have a good evening. This is Professor Ross. This was Advocacy Alchemy.
All right, I'm gonna try this again. When was the last time you had something to drink?
The street is not the place to argue your case.
Not that I'm aware of. This is the first I've ever had it happen, and I've been a judge for 12 years. At least it's the first time it's been reported to me, and my staff's pretty good.